today I'm going to replace the battery in this TurtleBeach Stealth 600 headset. Super easy to do. There's only 6 screws. Yes, you can do it too. Let's get to it. Now this battery here is a 3.7 volt 950 milliamp. This is a lithium ion polymer battery, 950 milliamp, 3.7 volts for the Stealth 400/500. Okay, we're going to start by the side with the microphone on it. We're going to start by removing this foam. Now it separates right here, so if we gently pull this apart, now here we have 4 screws. You got a screw here, 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 and here. Alright, these are, I'm going to try this T2.0. There we are. Takes a lot of force. First one. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on here. Second one. Third one. Fourth one. Okay, now how does this come apart? Hey, look at that. Okay, so you can see here there's this headphone speaker wire. It's going over here. Now we have 2 more screws. Much easier. Alright, so there's a button down here. Now we want to gently pry this up. I need to gently pry this up. We have a wire down here. Maybe let's try it this way. There we are. Okay. So here is the battery. Seems to be glued on there pretty good. Alright, well, that is trash. This one does not have the sticky stuff. Here it's a little bit thick anyway. So let's try it out. Alright, that seems pretty good. So, let's put this together the same way we took it apart. This goes in here. Like we have some wires over here. Ah, it's the battery wires. Alright, we don't want to crunch those up. Take a look at these. Edit that out. There we are. Okay, one thing I like to do before I totally put everything back together. Now, you see, yeah, this is the 600X. Okay, I want to test it first before I fully put it back together, so let's hit the power. Here we are. That's good. Let's shut the power off. Okay, that was good. So now let's put her back together. We have two of these silver screws. First one up here. Okay, the second one down here. Resist, not, I don't have enough resistance here. Here we go. You gotta push this one down with your thumb. That's good. Alright, now we're ready to put this back together. Alright. First piece. I like to do these in diagonal fashion. And I turned it on again. And the fourth one. There we are. Okay, now we have this remaining piece. Now if you look right here, there's a notch. This notch allows you to get this on here. Gently, I am moving pieces in here. That seems to be the hardest part of the whole thing. There we are. Twist it a bit, and it is